Hi there everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a simple tessellation. First of all, we need to know what a tessellation is. Well, a tessellation is when we cover a piece of paper with a repeated pattern so that there are no gaps. Here's some examples of tessellations. How do we make a tessellation? By following these simple instructions. Are you ready? You will need a pair of scissors, a small piece of card. This could be from a cereal box, a plain piece of A4 paper, a ruler, a pencil, and some colours. First, you need to think of a shape that you can use. It helps if the shape is symmetrical, which means that both sides are exactly the same when you fold the shape in half. Some simple shapes are squares and triangles. Here's an example. I began with a plan. I wanted to make a type of arrow, so I drew it out very roughly. Then I thought about how big I wanted my shape to be. I have made my shape slightly longer than its width because I want it to look like an arrow. Now that I have my plan, I can begin drawing. First, from the edge of the page, I draw a line which is 4 centimetres long. From that line, I measure 3 centimetres across in width. Next, I join the marks that I've made, and then I square it off. The next step I need to do is find the middle of my shape. And once I do, I mark it again. Now that I've got the middle parts of my shape, I mark out 1 centimetre on either side of the two lengths. I draw a line from the edge of the paper to the middle mark. And then I do the same thing on the other side. You can see that I've done this in the right-hand picture. My next step is to do exactly the same thing at the top. I've gone from the side, which is 1 centimetre, to the middle on both sides. Can you see my arrow now? The next step is to cut out the shape. Use your pair of scissors carefully. Now you have your template. To begin your drawing, you need to place the shape on top of your piece of A4 paper. Begin in one corner. Draw around the shape with a pencil. Next, move the shape along slightly so that it locks in with the point from the last shape you drew on the paper. You can see in the picture what that means. Now draw around the shape again. Continue the pattern to the end of the page. Once you get to the end of the page, start a new line and keep going until your paper is full of shapes, as you can see in the picture. Please note, when you get to the edge of the paper, you may need to draw part of a shape. That's okay. Finally, your shape is finished. You can use your shape as a piece of artwork for your bedroom wall or as wrapping paper. Have a go. See how you get on. Good luck!